Oh, hi. Yeah, late afternoon here in Forster, sitting on the Forster Harbour, and yeah, what a beautiful day. As you can see, it's very blue, so I'm just enjoying this last bit of sun before it goes down. But had a bit of an admin day today, so went ashore this morning when the tide was still running out. Wasn't sure when it was actually going to turn because the tide running here it's very strong, so there's no way I'd row against it in a little rubber ducky basically. So I went when it was still running out, and I sort of timed myself to get back out here by the time it was scheduled high tide around 1 o'clock. Literally 2 hours later, at around about 3 o'clock, the boat finally swung around and it's now running out. So now I know that. I know I can go ashore for longer and not have to worry basically about struggling back here, which I'd never be able to do. You'd just have to sit there and wait. So yeah, a bit of an admin day. Got some laundry done, which is fantastic. Had a nice shower. I do wash, but yeah, having a shower ashore really is a lot nicer, obviously. Had a nice burger at the Beach Bum Cafe overlooking Main Beach, which was a beautiful spot. Little bit of grocery shopping, and yeah, got back here, did some cleaning around the boat, and just fixed a few things which I sort of noticed when I've been sailing the last couple of days, just niggly little things which are now sorted. So yeah, all in all a good day. I think I'm going to be here until Saturday. Today, I think it's Wednesday, which is good to be in that place. Because we're going to have northerlies, which are obviously going to be in my face going north. So Saturday looks good at the moment. My next stop is going to be a big one. It's 40 nautical miles, which during winter hours, because of course late sunrise, early sunset at the moment, it means, yeah, it's going to be pushing it. But yeah, next stop should be Camden Haven. I've spoken to the guys there, and yeah, no problems with the bar, so it all looks good to go at this stage. So I'll just keep an eye on the weather and enjoy being in Forster for a while. It's a quaint little place. Definitely retirement. I felt very young walking around the streets. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, here's what happened. Good morning from Forster-Tuncurry. There's the bridge I was talking about last night that joins both the towns. Quite a long bridge. Obviously no yachts beyond that. Beyond that is Wallace Lake. Hence the sharp outgoing of the tide. As you can see, it's running past us quite now. In fact, this would be quite a good boat speed when you're sailing even. So, sun just coming up. My neighbours. And this is the Forster side. Oh, look at that, the sun's just peeking through the trees. So, yeah, I might hold up here for a little while until the winds change. Well, what a stunning day here at Forster. Just down at the beach. Might take up a suggestion and go and see what the burgers are like at Beach Bums in a minute. Looking great. Just on the landward side now of the Forster-Tuncurry Bridge, and this will be Wallace Lake. It looks like the tide may be doing what I hoped and become slack enough for me to paddle back out. Back on the seaward side of the bridge, and yes, the boats have swung around so I can get out there without too much drama. There she is, happily bobbing away. Well, not much bobbing going on, so that's good too. Here's the faithful ducky waiting for me, thankfully, and I will have to paddle her, or row her, sorry, out there, which at the moment should be easy because there's no real tide.